Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Happy day 14 of saving daily in August. I am bringing $10 to $12 a day, and we are going to save some of that in my minis and some of that in a roll that I'm starting this month just to kind of play around, see if I like it. So I watched so many amazing women in this community do a daily roll, and I thought that was pretty cool. I never really thought how I would be able to like fit it in or how I would incorporate it. So I thought of this way. I created a challenge, a $1,000 challenge for my 1,000th video on YouTube, which is still crazy. So that's free on my Ko-fi. So I am taking a, let's see what I have. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so I have 12 today. So that's $6 for each one. I'm going to roll my honey die. And we got 6. Oh my gosh. We haven't had 6 in so long. Oh my god, I don't even know what to do. Okay, so 5 and 6. So I'm going to put $6 here. And then we are going to color in a circle to represent that I did my roll. You can always, well, this isn't really anywhere, but you could write the number in there, but I just thought I'd do the circles. All right, so I'm going to move my D6 out of the way. We don't need to get any extra coins, prop coins from the back, because we are not using that. We only have not only, but we have $6 today. So that is what I have in prop coins here. So I'm going to trade the $6 in prop coins, put the $6 in my bank. And yeah, let's see what we can do today. We're going to start on number 6. And I feel like my little roof, there we go. The roof on my little mushroom tower was going to fall over. Okay, so let's get started. 1, 2, and 3 for number 6. How are you guys doing? How's everything going? 1, 2, 3. I did not sleep well, and I think I'm just a little stressed about some things, and so I'm clenching my jaw, and I guess I'm doing that a lot when I'm sleeping, so I'm waking up with some pretty bad headache, which I haven't had for a while, so I'm just kind of dealing with it, I guess, this morning. Ooh, 1, 2, and 3 for 6. But we have fun savings to do. 1 for 1. 3 for number 2. Oh my goodness gracious. We'll take it. It came flying at me, but we'll take it. 1 for 4. And then 1 for 5. So we will start at 6 again tomorrow. Alright, so let's get our coins and everything all situated. Alright, so number 1 got 1, 2, 3, and 4. So $1 going into number 1. That's what we needed. We finished this adorable little pool from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. I know I said this last time, but I am very impressed with the Pen & Gear classic markers. I mean, they're not like perfect, but they stayed pretty darn good compared to only Sharpie being able to do that. And I did film my queue. We have a ton in here, so let's just grab the ones that's sticking out. So this is from Danny at Craft Go Budgets. I'm a member of her mob. Hugs and prayers going to Danny. She's going through a lot. So we have $1, so I'm going to do the 50 cents down here, and then I'll do 2 up here. Okay, so that one is started. And then today we have for number 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, so $1.50. It's kind of easy when you're back to just the quarters. All right, oh, we just needed 50 cents. We finished this one from Kimmy at Kimmy's Corner. The same person that is responsible for these adorable dashboard dashboards and prop coins. So this one is for Walmart Plus. Okay, so that can go there. And we can move 50 cents out. So we need a new one. Let's see. Oh, let's replace Gimme with Gimme. So this is upside down. This is her popsicles. 4th of July. So we have $1 we can put in here. All right, we're going to test out the penning gear on this lamination. Perfect. All right, number 3, we got 25, 50, 75. This one is from Tony at Dough and Discipline. The Great White Couch. She did a fantastic Shark Week, 25, 50, 75. And then she broke up with Sharky, and it was hilarious. And I loved every second of her series. I cannot wait to see what that amazing lady comes up with next. She is super creative. Okay, so we have number 4 got 50 cents. Aww. We have this itty bitty one from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. So we can do 2 more little horseshoes. And there is really a nice satisfying click, which really helps me buy a marker. There's one that has 0 click. And I'm like, well, you're 0 fun. So I just, I don't like it. Okay. And then number 5, we have 25, 50, 75. And this one, we're starting from Cynthia Budget's Home Savings. So we can do 3 of these little fires. 1, 2, and 3. Oh, I should have done the 50-cent one that I see now after the fact. Next time. And then number 6, we have 25, 50, 75, $1, 25, 50. So $1.50 coming in here. This one is from Candy at Stuff and Budget. So we can finish out this one. And then we have $1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'll be right back. All right, I absolutely love these sunglasses. I would wear those. If anyone knows that those actually exist, I know they're supposed to be looking out at the beach and that's what they see, but if anyone knows that, I would prefer silver though. I wonder if those exist. I would totally wear those. Okay. And that is that. So we did finish 2. We got a $4 one from Kimmy and a $3 one from Lindsay. Oh, I didn't write that on there, did I? Household. I might just, where's this going? Walmart Plus. I might just put both of those in Walmart Plus. So let's put our, oh wait, we need the money first. We need 4 and 3. We need $7. So I'll put those in the completed. Then we'll grab our $7 and we will put that in Walmart Plus. 5, 6, and 7. Prop coins go here. And this is getting a little full because I stuffed the queue and we finished some and we've got some money in here. I'll try to remember to take this out when I do my Friday video to help a little bit. Okay, so we have $7 we are putting into Walmart Plus. Grab my binder. And these little inserts are from Brittany at Budgeting with a Ginger. I just printed them out on color cardstock. So I just got the black and white one, but I just, you know, printed them out on cardstock I've had sitting in my office forever. So we have 1, 25, 30, 1, and 2. So 132. And my Walmart Plus does include, I think it's Paramount Plus. So that's why it's a little bit more than like your normal Walmart Plus renewal. All right. Guys, that was it. That's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I hope to see you tomorrow, and take care. Bye.